So, do you have a matte paint job? This is going to be from specific companies that gave you a matte finish on your paint job. We're looking to protect it, and we can do that with a ceramic coating. Mind you, it is something we cannot warranty because it's not a gloss OEM factory clear coat, but we just like to educate our customers that we can still add a robust protection to the exterior paint and plastics, wheels, and glass. We're going to have a little less labor to do because we can't polish that paint. But if you're interested in taking care of your matte paint job with a true ceramic coating that's going to help you with a fighting chance on that matte paint job, give us a call. We'll give you a free quote. We'll get that matte paint job dialed in and easier to maintain, and a little bit more peace of mind while driving around in that non-clear coated vehicle. You can come by the shop for a free quote. Give us a call. Click that link below to schedule, and we can't wait to give you some OCD protection on that matte paint job car.